Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today we've got a beautiful vegan dish. I'm calling this a Greek vegetable stew. We've got some lovely things in there: potatoes, zucchini, olives, lots of fresh mint, tomato based. Now you may have noticed that there's been a reduction in vegan recipes on the channel, and that's because we've now got a dedicated vegan channel which I'd love for you to go and check out. I'll leave the link below in the text and a link will pop up at the end. Let's get on with this one by taking a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get started on this. So I've got some potato, peeled that, washed it, cut it into some nice cubes. Zucchini or courgette, whatever you're going to call that one. 1 can of tomatoes, tomato paste, like 125 grams. Tablespoon of chopped garlic, some beautiful Greek kalamata olives there. The stone's been taken out, the stone's in, don't worry about it. Onion, celery, bell peppers. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add some salt and pepper, and we're going to add some fresh mint to this. Really delicious. Okay, heat is on, got some olive oil in there. We're going to start off by dropping in our onion, cut that nice and small. Our garlic, our potatoes, and our celery. So what you want to be doing is, if you be adding some other vegetables like carrots, for example, which will work really nicely in this, get them in now. Get your hardest vegetables in right now. If you wanted, you could be adding some dried thyme or something to this. I'm just going to go with the mint for our big flavour. What I want to do now is just add a little bit of salt. Hit this with some black pepper. And we're on quite a lively heat, quite a high heat. We're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. See you then. Wonderful stuff. I'm going to drop those olives in next. Like I say, I'm using these beautiful kalamata. Right, they're my favourite olive. But be using green olives if you want, no problem. We're going to go with that bell pepper, the zucchini or courgette. Now you can think about eggplants in here, mushrooms, everything sort of works really. Staying on this high heat, another 4 to 5 minutes. Stirring often. I see you then. This is going to be wonderful. Fantastic. Going to drop in that 1 can of tomatoes. Now these tomatoes were whole plum tomatoes. I've just roughly crushed them. I'm going to drop in that 125 grams of tomato paste. I'm going to add a little bit of water, not too much. We're going to turn the heat down, not to a simmer but above a simmer. We're going to let this roll on for about another 6 minutes. What we're looking for here is our potatoes to be ready. This is nearly done and I can't wait to eat it. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, that's looking fabulous. Potatoes are nice and tender now. Off goes the heat. Check that for salt and pepper. And as promised, a nice lot of fresh chopped mint in there, which I think is wonderful. I'm just going to stir that in. And this is done. Beautiful with rice or with bread. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Really can't wait to get into this one. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. And as I said at the beginning, please do check out our dedicated vegan channel. The link will be popping up now and it's below. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.